In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to an end portal and stronghold in Minecraft using commands. So the first thing you want to do is press escape because we need to go into settings, and on the left side you want to ensure you're on world and game. Then on the right side you want to scroll down until you get to world options, and you want to toggle on show coordinates. Now once you've done this, you can go back to your game and you'll see in the top left corner we can now see our position. And from here, you want to open up chat and commands. So what we're going to be typing in the chat box is slash locate space structure space stronghold. And you want to type in true at the end. And if you press enter, you'll see in the top left corner, it shows us where the nearest stronghold is. Once you have your coordinates, you want to open up the chat and commands again. And in the chat, you want to type in slash TP space at S space, and then those coordinates. So mine was 1122 space. I'm going to put 0 for the Y. And for the Z axis, it was minus 855. And then I'm going to press enter and it's going to teleport me there. Now, if for whatever reason you teleport into an area where you get stuck, you can always teleport out of that area by changing the coordinates. So if you did manage to get into your stronghold, what you want to do at this point is look for the ender portal. And it may take a while. I know it took me about 15 minutes to find the actual ender portal. But once you've found it, it's simply a matter of entering in the eyes of ender and you'll open up the portal. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.